the 2019 Volvo XC40.
If you're in the market for a repair manual, check out Repair Surge. It's based on accurate, reliable factory service information. It's a cost-effective option for independent shops and home mechanics, and it gives you all the information you need to get the job done. That includes safety info, repair procedures, diagnosis, technical specifications, illustrations, wiring diagrams, and more. Get the repair information you can trust. Get the online manual from Repair Surge right now.